Hello, this is Dr. Bob Perkins from Malibu, California. I'm a jawline and veneer specialist. I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I got some really interesting tips to talk to you about regarding specifically veneers. I'm going to go through a few very important things you do not want to ignore when you're getting veneers done. You need to have translucency in the veneers. They can't be opaque. Opaque looks fake. The veneers I see out in the real world that look obviously not natural are ones that are opaque. They look like a piece of paper. Translucent veneers are like see-through, they're like glass, and that's what teeth are like. Teeth are actually like glass, the enamel. So you gotta make sure that you have a translucent component in your veneers, otherwise they're not going to look natural. Secondly, you have to really focus a great deal on the length of your teeth. Most people I see coming in, they come in and I can't see their teeth. Unless they smile, I'm not seeing very much teeth. Either they're worn down or they just didn't erupt properly. So the teeth don't show in conversation. And that's what you have to really focus on. Not when they smile. A smile shot is just a small little window into the teeth. What really goes on most of the time is a conversation. You're at a coffee shop, you're across the room, you're talking to somebody, and if you don't see teeth in conversation, it looks old, it doesn't look right. So you gotta make sure the teeth are long enough so that they show really well in conversation. Now I do both prepless veneers, which are veneers where you don't do any drilling on the tooth. But also I do veneers where you're drilling on the teeth. If you're gonna drill on the teeth, you need to have temporaries made, and the temporaries, they're temporary veneers, and the temporaries have to really reflect exactly what you want the permanent ones to look like. You don't want to be doing any guessing. You don't want the lab to be doing any guessing. The lab needs a real good blueprint. So make sure that if you're having veneers and they're prepped, that you have these temporaries that are like a precursor. They're like a study model for the lab, and you're able to look at them and go, I love this. This is exactly what I want. And if there's something you don't like, then you go back and get it modified. A great veneer result isn't about trends or shortcuts. It's about respecting your face, your bite, and your long-term health. When you're ready to explore what's possible with jawline and prepless veneers, give our office a call.